Hey guys, it's me Nishant here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve a 2 by 2 with the beginner's method. Enjoy. So the beginner's method are for people who absolutely do not know how to solve a 2 by 2. But one of my advices is know how to solve a 3 by 3 before you solve a 2 by 2 is because uh, 2 by 2 is actually the corners of a 3 by 3 if you don't know. So the first thing that you have to be doing is in the beginner's method, also known as a layer by layer method, also known as LBL. You get these four colors done as well as these kind of side colors done around them. This makes it one layer. In the 2 by 2, there are two layers. So the first thing we're doing, the first step is to get the first layer completed. So many people think that they can actually, like when they put the side, the layer will be solved. But oh no, it won't be solved. So now I'm scrambling the cube. I'm hand scrambling it. So basically, if I put this one in, like just make sure that the side is solved. Just do any moves and make sure the side is solved. So mostly the side won't get solved. So I have a few algorithms that can make a side to a layer. But in this case, you have to be knowing four different algorithms: the JA perm, T perm, JB perm, and AA perm for this case. And I also recommend you guys learn the Y perm because that also will come. So in this case, there are three different ways to recognize it. So firstly, if you see a bar, the first way people recognize it is they put the bar in front of them and do this out. And then the second way that people do this is often how I see people doing LBL method. They put the bar like this, like so, and they do this algorithm. It's also known as T-perm. But instead of a T-perm, if you are lazy to do the T-perm, you can actually do the JB perm from the same angle. But some people, what they do is they put the bar at the back. In this case, it's forcing them to do an AA perm. And the AA perm is very, very inconvenient because it involves D moves. So the out for this is so basically this is a Y perm where two of these need to be switched. And in that case I actually showed these two need to be switched, but in this one these two. So what you guys do is you can put this in anywhere you like and do with this algorithm. It's also known as Y perm. So with these five algorithms, you completed your first layer. So the second layer, however, is a bit trickier. So the second layer is often known as similar to your 3 by 3 and 2 by 2 algorithm, 3 by 3 algorithms. But in the LBL method, we will be doing two look. So two look means doing the OL first and the PLL. So one look means, for example, this case, you solve this whole case with only one algorithm. But in the LBL case, we are doing it in two look. So in this case, so most of these cases are from the 3 by 3 oral algorithm. I just recommend you guys learn that, and then you can just learn it by yourself. So this one is over here. These two are not there. So I recommend you guys to just see my first version of the ortega tutorial. I will be making an ortega tutorial after this video, so just go ahead and check that out. So this one is here, these two, and algus. So and basically, so the PL I'm gonna get is from the cases that I've told you, the five algorithm cases. So basically, it's just the Weipo and the JA perm, T perm, JV perm, and AA perm. So those are the PLs that might come the into the PL, but So after LBL method, it's the ortega method. So the ortega method is just like the LBL method, but has one more step. So here's a sneak peek of the ortega method. So in the LBL method, we solve the first layer. But however, in the ortega method, we solve these 4 colors. That means it's just the side. And then we solve the OLL as if this one is finished. And then we do one, like for example, after we do the order, these 2 sides will be solved. Then we do an algorithm to, and these 4 will not. Then we do one algorithm to finish off the cube. An example is, for example, we are doing side, and then we do the order. Then we solve the cube in just these 4 sides. We solve it in one algorithm, which I'll be showing you guys in next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.